Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the essentials so you're troubleshooting the right layer. Check that both your PC and headset meet performance minimums, then quit non-essential apps to free CPU and GPU headroom. Once done, switch to a wired connection or a solid 5 GHz network and temporarily disable VPNs. Make sure GPU drivers, virtual desktop, and headset firmware are up to date. These updates often include latency and encoder fixes that immediately reduce stutter. Next, focus on the encoder and rendering trade-offs to stabilize frame timing. Lower the render resolution to around 80 to 90% and reduce bitrate if network jitter persists. Choose NVENC or the AMD encoder that matches your GPU for consistent frames. On the headset side, enable adaptive sync or reprojection only if you need it, since it changes latency patterns. Also change Windows power settings to high performance and force your GPU to prefer maximum performance. Finish by isolating and confirming the fix. Run a lightweight VR scene to see if stutter remains. This helps determine whether network, encoder, or CPU/GPU is at fault. Monitor GPU and CPU usage and frame time graphs while you test. If you still see stutter, reboot the host, switch encoder types, try alternate USB or network ports, and compare wired versus wireless performance. If the problem remains, the most common remaining cause is network packet loss. Retry on a different router or channel as a final diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.